Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, how are you? Already we have started chapter number 2, fraction and decimals. One instruction I am giving you for the parents and for the students. This is the last video for online lecture. So we will meet after Ramzan Eid. And already you know very well, we have started chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. And inshallah today I will try to complete exercise 2.1. Question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1/2 cm long and 10 integer 2/3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. So you can see here, this is your rectangular sheet and the length is 12 integer 1/2, you can see here, and wide is 10 integer 2/3. Okay, now first we will convert into, this is the mixed fraction, and we will convert into simple fraction, right? Okay, so you can see, so 12 integer 1/2. So what we have to do, we will multiply by these two numbers. So 12 to the 24, and after multiplication these two numbers, so we will add this 1. So 12 to the 24 plus 1 is equal to 25/2. Now you can see 12 to the 24 plus 1 is equal to 25/2. In the same way, 10 integer 2/3, again we are going to convert. What we have to do, 10 multiply by 3, 10 3 is 30 plus 2, it means 32/3. Okay, you can see 10 multiplied by 3 plus 2/3 is equal to 32/3. Okay, now after converting into simple fraction, then what we have to do, we will apply the formula to find the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. This is the formula, right? Okay, so perimeter of the rectangular sheet is equal to into L plus B, 2 into 25/2 plus 32/3. Here you can see the denominator are not same. Okay, so we are going to make a same denominator. Okay, so you can see this is the LCM of 3 and 2. So you can see 3 to the 6. This is the LCM of 3 and 2. Okay, so now my dear student, you can see here in this example you can see 25/2. Okay, we want to do a same denominator 6. Okay, we want to do same denominator 2. So we will multiply by which number, so we will get answer 6. The 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. Understood? Clear? So we will multiply by in the numerator and denominator also. So 25 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 plus 32, here in the denominator is 3, so we will multiply by 2 in the numerator and the denominator both. So 25 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 plus 32 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2. So what is answer? The answer is 2. 25 3 is 75 upon 6 plus 64 upon 6, 32 multiplied by 2 is equal to 64. So 64 upon 6. Okay, here both the denominator are same. So obviously 75 plus 64. So what we will answer? The answer is, here you can see 2 and 6. The 2 3 are 6. 2 cut in the numerator and the denominator. So remaining is number, if you will add 139 upon 3. What we have done here, beta, we will add these two number. 75 plus 64 is equal to 139 upon 3. Okay, so what answer we will get, beta? So you can see 139 divided by 3. Okay, 3 4 ja 12. Okay, minus 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. Carry out by 19. So 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18. Okay, 3 6 ja 18. So you will get answer 1 only. So what is answer? 46 integer 1 upon 3. 46 integer 1 upon 3 centimeter. It is your answer. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the perimeter of the triangle ABE. You can see A, B and E. Okay. The rectangle of BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater. Okay. You can see how to find the perimeter of the given triangle ABE. AB plus BE plus AE. Okay. So here you can see perimeter of the triangle ABE is equal to 5 upon 2 plus 2 integer 3 upon 4 plus 3 integer 3 upon 5. Okay, you can see here, first we are going to do a same. This is a mixed fraction, so we will convert into simple fraction. Okay, so here what is the answer? You can see the 5 3 ja, we will multiply 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 3, so 15 plus 3 is equal to 18 upon 5. Here you can see 2 multiplied by 4, the 2 4 ja 8 plus 3, the 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Okay, so 11 upon 4. Okay, now here you can see 2 5 and 4, all the denominator are not same, so we are going to find out the LCM. So LCM is 20. Okay, clear? Now you can see how to get the answer. All the denominator are same, 20 20 20 I have written. Now check it. This is a beta 2, right? Now we cancel it. Okay, so remaining number is 2 multiplied by 5. The 2 5 ja 10. 10 answer you got, beta. So we will multiply by 10 in the denominator and numerator both. Okay, 2 multiplied by 10. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 5 is equal to 50. 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. Understood? Here you can see 5. Okay, this is a 5. Okay, so we cancel it. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So we will multiply by 18 4 ja 72 and 5 4 ja 20. Okay, understood? Now in the same way 2 2 ja 4, so remaining is 5. The 11 5 ja 55 and 4 5 ja 20. Now all the denominator are same. Okay, so 50 plus 72 plus 55, So answer is 177 upon 20. Now this is which fraction? Okay, here it is not a proper fraction, it is an improper fraction, right? Okay, so you can see, so if you will divide by 177 divided by 20, so beta please you will do by yourself, because we haven't more time to show you how to divide by 20. Okay, I have shown many examples, so you will get answer beta 8 integer 17 upon 20. Okay, so this is the first part we have done completely. Now remaining the second part is the rectangle BCDE. Okay, the BCDE, so 2 into L plus B, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, now you can see 2 into L plus B, right? So 2 times multiply by 2 integer 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Okay, now first we will convert into which? 4 to the 6. Here we find out 4 and 6 LCM is 12 beta. Now you can see what is the answer. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 upon 4. Okay, now 4 and 6 both the denominator are not same, so we find out the LCM. So LCM you got beta 12. Okay, right? Now we are going to make which denominator? We are going to make same denominator as 12 only. Okay, so here now tell me 4 3 ja 12, because we are going to make same denominator, and here 6 2 ja 12. Okay, so we will multiply by both. Okay, here also 3. So what is the answer? 11 3 ja 33 upon 12, and plus 7 2 ja 14 upon 12. Okay, eleven 3 ja. By mistake I have written 2 times this step. There is no need beta. Please erase it. Okay. Now 33 upon 10 plus 14 upon 12. Okay, now you can see continue. 33 plus 14 upon 12 is equal to 47 upon 12. Now 2 6 started 2 will be cut. Okay, so you can see 2 6 12. Answer is 47 upon 6. Okay, now you can see 47 divided by 6. The 6 7 ja 42. So remaining is 5. So what is the answer? The answer is 7 integer 5 upon 6. 7 integer 5 upon 6. Okay. Now question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 upon 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 upon 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, the frame of picture is equal to how much? 7 integer 3 upon 5, but in this frame the picture cannot be more than how much? 7 integer 3 upon 10. Okay, तो picture कितना trim होगा? तो what we have to do? We will subtract 7 integer 3 upon 5 minus 7 integer 3 upon 10. Okay, so first we are going to convert into simple fraction. You know very well. Okay, so 7 5 are 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5. Now you got answer. In the same way, what we have to do, we will multiply by this. 7 10 are 70 plus 3, so 73 upon 10. Okay, so 73 upon 10. Okay, now we will subtract 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Now if you will go, you are going to find out the LCM of 5 and 10. Okay, so you can see 38 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 38 multiplied by 2, because the LCM is 10 beta, right? 5 2 are 10, so we will multiply by 2 in the denominator and the numerator both. Okay, so 38 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, so answer is 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10. Now both the denominator are same, so 76 minus 73 upon 10. So what is answer? Answer is 3 upon 10. Okay, so how much should the picture be trimmed? The picture should be trimmed is equal to 3 upon 10 centimeter. Okay, now we will move on the next question. Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Now Ritu ate how many pieces? Among 5 pieces, she ate 3 pieces. Okay, so you can see Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple. It means Ritu ate 3 pieces of apple. Okay, so obviously you know the remaining how many pieces? 2 pieces. So 2 pieces which will be eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, so 1 minus 3 upon 5. Okay, so 5 1 are 5 minus 3 upon 5. So 1 multiplied by 5 upon 5, because how to write beta? You can see 1 upon 1. Okay, can I write or not? So 1 multiplied by 5, and here 1 multiplied by 5, because the denominator are not same, so we find out the LCM. So 5 1 are 5, I have written, and 1 multiplied by 5 minus 3 upon 5. Okay, so 5 1 are 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Now both the denominator are same, so 5 minus 3 upon 5. The answer is 2 upon 5. Okay, so Somu ate 2 pieces. Now tell me, who ate more pieces? Obviously Ritu, because Ritu ate 3 pieces among 5 pieces, right? Okay, so Ritu had larger share. Okay, now in the back you can see beta how much? 2 pieces, it means 2 upon 5. Who had the larger share? 2 upon 5. By how much? The 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. कितना पीस ज़्यादा शेयर किया? 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. So you will get the answer. Okay, now you can see 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Both the denominator are same. Understood? So 3 minus 2 upon 5. The 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, clear? So here question number 7 is over. Here I have completed exercise 2.1 and this is your question for practice question. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, please drop your message in the comment section box. Okay, again I am giving one instruction to all my dear friends, all my parents and all my students. Okay, we will meet after Ramzan Eid. So I heartily wishing you, my all the dear parents and all my dear students, happy Ramzan Eid Mubarak. Okay, stay home, stay safe, be healthy. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.